Hello, my name is Eduardo, and in this video we will talk about the Cistern Automatic project. Then my classmate Giovanni will start with the introduction of the project.
Our project is about an automatic cistern for hotels, which will allow us to visualize the level of the water tanks at all times, and if necessary, they will be filled to an optimal level when required.
Our project consists of filling water tanks automatically by means of sensors, and when they are filled, the phone turns off automatically, so we avoid spilling water since it will be monitored from an electronic device.
In this section we will analyze each of the components of the project.
A cistern is a reservoir used to store water. It's usually installed or built underground and can be implemented both in private homes and large buildings.
The float hangs from the valve, waiting for the water level to rise so that it begins to float on top of it. Once it begins to rise, the valve placed at the other end begins to close on the fill valve tube, and when it reaches the indicated level, the valve closes.
Driver de potencia, power controller. It is an electronic equipment that controls the starting and stopping of a motor. Also, this tool is responsible for increasing the current and at the same time controlling and limiting the power in the system. An electrical power supply is a system that supplies electricity or necessary energy to electrical devices for their operation. In this case, we use a power supply to power a motor.
Arduino is a board that all the necessary elements to connect peripherals to the inputs and outputs of a microcontroller. That is, it's a printed board with the necessary components for the microcontroller to work and its communication with a computer through serial communication.
It's a hydraulic actuator device that fulfills the function of pumping the water from the cistern. The fluid being pumped continuously enters the pump suction nozzle in the center of the impeller. The fluid current is accelerated by the thrust that the impeller blades, thanks to the curvature, transmit the current itself to the water containers. It's a means of transport on which the water is pushed from a point A to a point B. This in turn the function of establishing a certain flow rate based on the size of the tube.
Our project works with a sensor that will show the water level, and based on that, the water tank will be filled. Also, if we have a device with a Wi-Fi connection through an application, we can see the water level and we can fill the tank from the device.
For the last, and this is a product that we can normally use at home or in different places as a useful tool. The objective of our project is to make it an equally useful tool, and for all people can use it automatically and easily, as well as provide current maintenance and take care of the environment. Thank you.